Today's topic is about raising temperature. Why is temperature rising year after year? What happens to Earth if this continues? What is responsible for the rising of temperature and what are the possible solutions to overcome the situation? Let's get started. The Earth's average temperature used to be normal and gradually it started increasing year after year starting from 1762 due to Industrial Revolution. This effect of rising temperature is called global warming. This is happening due to greenhouse gases which are emitted by human activities. The first one is burning fossil fuels. If you want to know more about fossil fuels, then this video explains you in detail. Please do watch it and I will provide the link in the description. But in short, we are using petrol in our vehicles and the vehicle emits CO2, that is carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. And the natural gas itself has methane, CH4 as a primary element, which is also a greenhouse gas. The second is deforestation. Cutting down trees is the saddest thing that's happening in our planet. We just forgot how important a tree is in our life and I'm just scared imagining our life without them. Third is decomposition of waste or dumping waste in empty lands. These are the main causes of greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases act as blanket around the earth which traps the heat from the sun. This is called greenhouse effect. This is actually good till it becomes too strong. When the sun rays travel through the atmosphere which contains greenhouse gases and reaches the earth, these gases traps the heat in them and because of this the temperature is balanced on earth and all the living beings are able to survive on earth, unlike other planets where the temperature is not suitable for survival. It's the atmosphere present on the earth that is making this happen. So what happens to earth if this continues? Actually, the disasters are already happening. If you could notice, in March 2019, Cyclone Idai took lives of more than 1,000 people around Zimbabwe, Malawi and Mozambique. And just 6 weeks after this disaster, another cyclone Kenneth arrived and swept the northern Mozambique without even letting the people totally recover from the first cyclone. We all know the worst ever bushfire happened in Australia in 2020 following on its hottest year on record, which left soil fuel exceptionally dry. More than 1 billion natural animals have killed and some species and ecosystems may never recover. Next is South Asian floods. Over last year, because of deadly floods and landslides, the homes of 12 million people are destroyed in India, Nepal and Bangladesh. Severe drought occurred in 2011, 2017 and 2019 in East Africa, and the places like Ethiopia, Kenya and Somalia affected a lot and millions of people faced food and water shortages. These incidents continue to happen and we need to act on these issues right now. So what is responsible for raising in temperatures? It's 100% we. Yes, the human actions are the main source for these situations and we are living to our comforts and not even bothered about the situations that are going to happen in the near future. Now slowly all nations started to concentrate on the situation and how to take necessary precautions, and it's every individual responsibility to take part in it, and even in the global summits this issue has been highlighted, which is a good sign. So what would be the possible solutions to overcome these problems? First would be to make use of renewable energies as a source of electricity instead of non-renewable energies. If you don't know what is renewable energies, then please see this video. I'm leaving it in the description. Second is human awareness. We need to make people aware of such disasters of climate changes and make them educate on this. Third would be human discipline. Even though people are aware of these, but still are not concerned because their life is going smooth and not bothered about anything else. So discipline is very important to save the fruits for our younger generations. Fourth would be very strict laws. Laws should be strict on industries and on people. The regulations of greenhouse gases by the industry should be maintained. And laws should come into place stating that every person should plant at least 1 tree per month responsible for the growth of the tree that is planted, and cutting trees should be a deadly and punishable offense.